Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says if x plus y equals to 10 and xy equals to 50, then what is the value of x and y? So here we have the solution. We are given x plus y equals to 10 and also xy equals to 50. Let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, let's make y the subject of the expression by transposing x to this other side. So this will become y equals to 10 minus x. This is equation 3. So here we can substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So this will become, we say substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Therefore, we have equation 2 as xy equals to 50. And here, equation 3, our value of y equals to 10 minus x. So we'll put it in this place. So we have here x into, in the place of y, we put 10 minus x equals to 50. So we can expand this parenthesis. So this will become x times 10 will give us 10x. Then x times minus x will give us minus x to the power of 2 equals to 50. We can transpose 50 to this other side. So this will become, let's take this 5, minus x to the power of 2 plus 10x minus 50 equals to 0. So we have negative side here. What we are going to do is for us to multiply minus 1 all through this equation. So this will become minus x to the power of 2 times minus 1, then plus 10x times minus 1, then we have minus 50 times minus 1, all equals to 0. So this will become minus x to the power of 2 times minus 1 will give us x to the power of 2. Then we have here 10x times minus 1 will give us minus 10x. So we have here minus 50 times minus 1 will give us plus 50, all equals to 0. We can see that we have a quadratic equation here. So here we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. Our quadratic formula is in the form x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So here our coefficient of x squared here, which is a, equals to 1, and coefficient of x here, which is b, equals to minus 10, and also constant here, which is c, equals to 50. Substituting this parameter into this quadratic equation, we have the value of x equals to minus b, which is minus 10, plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 is minus 10, all to the power of 2, minus 4, times a, our a is 1, times c, our c is 50, all over 2 times a. So in this case, our x equals to minus times minus 10 equals to 10, plus or minus square root of minus 10 to the power of 2 gives us 100. Then minus 4 times 1 times 50 will give us minus 200, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So this will become x equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 200 will give us minus 100, all over 2. So in this case, we can write this as 10 plus or minus square root of 100 times minus 1, all over 2. So here, our value of x here will become 10 plus or minus square root of 100 times square root of minus 1, all over 2. So in that case, we can see that we have the value of x equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 equals to 10. Then times square root of minus 1, which is iota. We have here I, all over 2. In that case, the value of x equals to, we can separate this 10 all over 2 plus or minus 10i all over 2. We can rewrite this as the value of x, and it's going to give us x equals to 10 divided by 2 will give us 5, plus or minus 10i all over 2 will give us 5i. And this is two solutions from here, which can be separated as x1 equals to 5 plus 5i, or we have x2 as 5 minus 5i. So this is the two value of x that we have. We recall that from equation 3, which was y equals to 10 minus x. So the value of y here is 10 minus x, and we have the value of x as this. So what we are going to do is for us to substitute the value of x in this equation 3 that we had before. So this will give us, for x1, we have here, for x1, we have the value of y1 equals to 10 minus 5 plus 5i. So in this case, y1 will become 10. Expanding this will become minus 5 minus 5i. So in this case, we have y1 equals to 10 minus 5 is 5. So we have here minus 5i. So this is for y1. And from x2, for x2, we have the value of y equals to 10 minus x. Then we take this. Then our y2 will become 10 minus 5 minus 5i. So expanding this, this will give us y2 equals to 10. We have minus 5 plus 5i. So in this case, we have y2 equals to 10 minus 5 equals to 5 plus 5i. So this is the value of y2 that we have. So in that case, we can write out the solution of x and y, which will give us x1, y1 will become x1, which is 5 plus 5i. Then we have y1, which is 5 minus 5i. Then for x2, y2 will give us, for x2 we have 5 minus 5i. Then x2 we have 5 plus 5i. So these are the solution of xy that we have. We can do a little check for us to see whether the solution of that xy will give us the correct answer. So we have here, check. So from the equation where we have x plus y equals to 10. So from here, let's substitute the value of xy into this place. So we have here, for x1, we have 5 plus 5i, then plus y. Our y here is 5 minus 5i. Will this equals to 10? We can see that we have, this will cancel here. We are now left with 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So 10 equals to 10. What we have here is what we have here. Therefore, the first value of xy, which is x1, y1, satisfy this expression. Let us check from here where we have xy equals to 50. So in that case, still using x1, y1, we have here 5 plus 5i, then multiply by 5 minus 5i, which is y. Will this equals to 50? So expanding this, 5 times 5 will give us 25. Then we have 5 times minus 5i will give us minus 25i. Then we have 5i times 5 will give us plus 25i. Then we have plus 5i times minus 5i will give us minus 5i to the power of 2. Will this equals to 50? So we can see that this can cancel here. So we are now left with 25. This is the same thing as having minus. So we have here 5 to the power of 2. Then we have I to the power of 2. So in this case, we have 25 minus. This is 25. Then we have here I to the power of 2 is same thing as minus 1. So we have here times minus 1. So in that case, 25 minus, okay, will this equals to 50? So in that case, we can see that, let's write it, come over to this other side. So here, we can see that we have here 25. Here will be minus 25 times minus 1 will give us plus 25. Will this equals to 50? We can add 25 plus 25 will give us 50 equals to 50. So what we have here is what we have here. Therefore, for the value of xy equals to 50, when substituting the value of x1, y1 will satisfy this expression. You can do on your own comment section and see from x2 and y2. Let us know whether it will satisfy the equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.